Hello, I'm a Refashionista Sheri, and today's video is the 7th video in my 30 days of refashion. So this is now a full week of refashions that you can go and rewatch all those tutorials and recreate those items in your closet that you're just not sure, am I going to wear this? What am I going to do? Don't donate it. Refashion it with me, because what can we do? We can use what we have to make what we want. And today we're going to use the scraps from yesterday's tutorial to upsize a t-shirt that, quite frankly, has been too tight on me for too long, but now I absolutely love it. Wait till you see what I do with this. And if you want to refashion your entire closet, including accessories, shoes, all your clothes, bags, then join my wardrobe revolution. The link will be down below. For this quick project, all you need is your too small t-shirt or any kind of top and something to use for your upsizing side panels. I have just grabbed the chopped bottom of the sweatshirt that I just refashioned, and I think this is going to be more than enough to upsize the sides. So I was just going to flip this inside out, and I noticed it has a couple of holes on the bottom here. So I am just going to chop it off and make this a cropped upsized t-shirt. And now I can simply chop off those side seams to open up the shirt. Now I'm going to cut the chopped bottom of that sweatshirt to the size of side panels that I need. I have my t-shirt laying flat with the front facing up, and I'm going to grab one of my side panels and simply line it up with the bottom of my chopped underarm seam, and then go stitch it together all the way down to the bottom. And this is all stitched on and, of course, looking lovely. And you can see here I did also take a couple of seconds before I stitched it on, and I did hem up the raw edge of this insert simply because that would be in my armpit and I don't think it would feel very nice. But because it is sweatshirt material, you don't actually have to hem anything. So because one side is done, now I just have to grab the matching side of the t-shirt. So now we're working with the back of the t-shirt and line up those edges again, and then go stitch that together and repeat the whole process on the other open side of the shirt. And the shirt is finished, and it fits so much better. It's so much more comfortable now, and the side panels look awesome. I did have to chop off the overhang on the bottom, but you know what? Speaking of the bottom, if you want to leave yours just kind of deconstructed like this, it's a t-shirt. So when you stretch it, you see it curls up onto itself. You don't have to hem it. But I remembered that I still have the bottom hem left over from the sweatshirt, which before I put the lovely owl applique on and shortened it. And now we've used this part for the side panels. So you know what? Let's just add this bottom hem of the sweatshirt to this t-shirt, and then it'll be totally finished. So I lined up the side seams of the waistband with the approximate side seams of the shirt. I mean, with side panels, there really is no definite side seams anymore. I did that on both sides, and now I'm just going to go stitch it together. If you heard any heavy sighing in that last clip, this is why. Somebody is letting me know in the most passive-aggressive way possible that he would like to go outside sooner than later. And the shirt is now done, and that looks fabulous on the bottom. The side panels are awesome as well. Now, this t-shirt was a lot thinner than the sweatshirt fabric, so I did my stitch in the ditch technique, and that is where you simply stitch over top of that outside seam here, and it really does help it to lay flatter and not kind of roll up because the fabrics are different weights. And that, my lovelies, is from my original book from 2012. And of course, I self-published this and I sold it through my website, and there's none left. That was a long time ago. But look at this. Where is it? Stitch in the Ditch. There it is. If you did not get your copy of my original Life on the Zigzag book, I did, of course, update it and redesign it, and it now lives in fabulous modernized ebook form on my site. The link will be down below so you can go grab your copy. So there is another t-shirt that was saved from dying in the bottom of my drawer, and I know that there are so many people out there that you do the same thing. You open your closet, you open your drawers, you take something out, you put it on and go, oh, that's too tight now, and then you just fold it up and put it back, and you forget about it until the next time, a few months later, that you pull it out, put it on, and then it's still too tight for some reason. It didn't magically upsize itself, but now you can upsize it. And if you want to transform absolutely everything that you don't wear, from shoes to accessories to bags to your entire wardrobe, then please do join my wardrobe revolution, and you can do just that. You can use what you have to make what you want, and I am there step by step showing you how to do it. And then of course at the very end, I literally am there in person with you, virtually, but still in person, for a live 1-hour chat. And you can show me all the things that you've already transformed, show me the things that you're not really sure about, how you want to transform them, if you want to transform them, and we'll go through everything together. And I shall give you all of my top tips, tricks, and tutorial links and all that good stuff. So please do click the link, check it out, join the wardrobe revolution. I cannot wait to meet you. And until tomorrow, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the Zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.